Okay, so as usual, we are starting with the front of the dress pattern, and we have it split in two pieces, the skirt from the top. I need 2 pieces for the top, and I need 1 layer for the skirt. I used the front pattern to cut out the back piece.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
Here, I'm cutting out the second layer for the front of the top.
I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you
For the bottom of the dress, I'm using a circle skirt pattern.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
I use a straight ruler to mark 6 inches all around.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day.
And we need 2 layers for the front and the back.
All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Next, you want to sew down all the side seams.
Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. It's not that I don't want you here.
Okay, so now to put it together, you want to put the shirt inside the skirt. Make sure the shirt is right side out and the skirt is inside out.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every.
And to add the peplum, you do the same thing. Turn this right side out and put it inside the skirt.
Time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
You can start by pinning the side seams and then pinning all around the skirt.
I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah,
And this was the final look.